I'm Marisa Lagos. I cover politics at KQED and co-host a weekly podcast and show called Political Breakdown. I think you're all political junkies here, so you'd probably enjoy it. We try to get behind the people in politics and talk about their personalities. Kristin's been on the show before. It's super fun. And so I'm really excited about this panel because these are honestly people I call all the time to make myself sound smart on the radio. They all bring, I think, kind of a different, interesting perspective here. So Mindy Romero is director of the California Civic Engagement Project at USC. She was formerly at UC Davis. She studies all this stuff, so she really has a handle on the numbers. And today we're going to let her kind of open up the panel, giving us, kind of laying some groundwork on that. Of course, you just met Lisa García Bedolla, who is, I think, also going to be able to give us kind of some of that context. And then Kristin Olsen is a former state assembly Republican leader, a Stanislaus County supervisor, and someone who I think has been very critical of her own party in recent years and months. As we've seen the changes happening nationally and quite frankly, the problems that the GOP is having at the ballot box here. Dan Schnur, I think you were once a Republican, right? Long time ago.
Far away.
Really? He did work in politics, but we won't hold that against him. He is currently director of the Sacramento California Influencer Series. He actually ran for office himself, so he's got a nice holistic perspective as well. So thanks for being here. I'm going to sit down and make it like we all are just hanging out in our living room, because that's totally what we do.